Introducing the Allen Bradley Micrologix 1400 PLC 1766 L32BWA, a compact powerhouse designed for advanced control in industrial environments. With 32 digital I/O points, built-in Ethernet/IP connectivity, and support for online editing, offers flexibility and high-speed communication for real-time control. Ideal for machine builders and process automation, it supports multiple communication protocols and expansion modules, making it scalable for various applications. Choose the Micrologix 1400 for reliable performance, efficient integration, and easy programming. Trusted worldwide for precision and durability. Allen Bradley, engineered for industrial excellence.